Hey folks, I'm back with a fun project today. Today I'm going to make a fake golf green. Now, this is a piece of indoor-outdoor carpet I got free on Craigslist. And I wanted it to be a kidney shape. And this is 16 feet by 10 feet. Now, what I used was a garden hose to lay out the shape that I wanted. So I laid this out, I marked it, and I cut it from the back side. Now this is the pin I'm going to use. This is a regulation pin that you would see on a regular golf course. And I used a paint strainer for the flag. And I'm not going to have a cup. I'm going to just put this in the ground, and if you hit the pin, you're in. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a piece of PVC instead of the cup, and I'm going to put it right in the ground, and I want it to be nice and straight. I don't want it to be crooked. So I'm going to use a torpedo level. I'm going to put this in nice and straight, and the pin will go right in that, and I'll be able to take the pin in and out. So I'm going to take this out to the lawn. I'm going to mark it, and I'm going to remove any vegetation, all the sod. I'm going to flatten it out best I can with a rake, and then I'm going to use my lawn roller to make it nice and even and flat. Now I don't expect this to be perfect. It's going to be on the other side of my pond. It's about 100 yards away, and this is going to look great. I can't wait to see it when it's all done. Make a nice par 3. So I'm going to go out there and I'm going to remove the sod and I'm going to flatten it out, and I'll see you out there. Stay tuned. Alright, I've got my sod all cut out to shape, and I'm rolling the carpet out now. I already know where my hole's going to be. Alright, that looks pretty straight. I'm going to go back and flatten out these edges a little bit. But stick around, I got one more thing I want to show you. Alright, there's my green. It's almost 100 yards from here. And let's see if I can hit it. Nice shot. Not a bad shot. I hope you enjoyed the video. This turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'll probably bring it inside in the wintertime. Next year I'll probably put some sand underneath it and pack it down real good. And that's it. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.